Giriraj Poddar. Giriraj Poddar is an Indian politician and industrialist from Murwara in Katni District, Madhya Pradesh state. He was elected as an MLA of the Madhya Pradesh Vidhan Sabha in 2008 for Murwara, running as a member of the Bharatiya Janata Party. His victory margin was one of the highest in the assembly of around 30,000 votes. He is a member of various committees of the Vidhan Sabha. He is originally from Sambhar Lake in Rajasthan, but his family later shifted its base to Mughal Sarai in Uttar Pradesh. He is the highest distributor of sampark rashi. He is credited for khiraini over bridge, Katni Nadi bridge, a bow-shaped bridge, one of its kind in Madhya Pradesh. He spent a consecutive 15 days outside his home in his constituency in Yatra and interacted around 50,000 people gathered data for further development of Katni. He has raised igniting issue affecting daily life of people very effectively in Vidhan Sabha. He is also credited for food park, clearance of city buses. Social organization to whom he is affiliated Desdisha Manch known for its efforts for khiraini over bridge. He is also credited for food park, transport nagar. He became one of the very few MLA of states utilized 100% of fund allocated to their corpus. He is also credited for constitution of Katni Development Authority.